equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Replacing the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid Artisan mixer is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any necessary cleaning. Ensure your mixer is unplugged before starting. First, remove the mixer head by unscrewing the screws located at the back. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the head off the base, exposing the internal components. Next, locate the carbon brushes. These are typically situated near the motor. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any covers that may be obstructing access to the brushes. Take a moment to inspect the brushes for wear and tear. If they appear worn down, it's time for a replacement. To remove the old brushes, use your pliers to carefully pull them out. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the old brushes are removed, take your new carbon brushes and insert them into the same slots. Ensure they fit snugly and are positioned correctly. It's essential to check that the springs are in place, as they help maintain the pressure on the brushes against the motor. After installing the new brushes, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your mixer. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only help your mixer run more efficiently but also prolong its lifespan. Now, it's time to reassemble your mixer. Carefully place the head back onto the base, ensuring that all components align correctly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Remember, a secure fit is crucial for the safe operation of your mixer. If you're unsure about any step in this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need before proceeding with repairs. Additionally, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, plug your mixer back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, it may be best to consult a professional. With our service, you can enjoy no calls, no travel, and the convenience of having your mixer serviced right at home. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the carbon brushes in your KitchenAid Artisan mixer, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.